Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off comments on Facebook story. Let's start. At first, you have to open the Facebook app. In here, if you already have a story, then tap on your story and after that tap on the three dots. In here, you guys can see turn off comments off for this story. Then tap on here. In that way, people won't be able to comment on this story, but they will still be able to react and send a message to you. Then tap on turn off. In that way, you guys can turn off comments for your story. But if you guys want to turn off comments for all your story, then tap on here and after that scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. In here, scroll down a little bit, then tap on stories. In here, you guys can see story privacy, like who can see your story or comment you on your story. Then tap on here. After that, just turn off comments option. In that way, your friends can't comment you in your story. In that process, you can turn off comments for all your stories. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. See you with another video. Until next time, bye bye.